Hey, welcome back to my channel. I made this video based on my own research, and all the product links included in description for latest price and more informations. Fluke 323. Don't just have the right household measurement tools. Have all the right tools, all the time. The only thing that beats having a handy diagnostic tool right when you need it is having all the right tools at all times. That way you'll never really need them because they're always there. It has everything: the testing voltage, current, and resistance. The Fluke 323 True RMS multimeter comes with a large backlit LCD screen display backlight for work in low light conditions. The light is pure white, guaranteeing adequate lighting during operations. Fluke 323 measures AC and DC current up till 10 amperes and overload up till 20 amperes. When searching out digital multimeters for automotive, considers the Fluke 323 multimeter. This product is lightweight, designed for optimum comfort, and really worth the funding. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, be confident that this digital multimeter will shape your requirements in a friendly and dependable way, hence considered the best multimeter for capacitor testing and for an automatic purpose. This notably enhances the meter's overall cost and allows you to rationalize the already suitable price. Its affordable price hence makes it the best multimeter options for money. Mastech MS8268. The Mastech MS8268 combo kit may not rival most of the high-end digital multimeters in reputable brands such as Fluke, but it is a cool multimeter for its price. With reasonably accurate reading, high input impedance, and durable construction, the MS8268 offers pretty remarkable multimeter features. This voltage detector is used for testing voltage, resistance, diodes, capacitance, frequency, testing circuit board resistors, duty cycle, and temperature. Its dial has a well-built surface and doesn't feel fragile at all as some cheap meters do. This diagnostic tool runs on 3 AAA batteries and is located in a separate battery compartment. Let's check out the best multimeter features. After all, this is what sets it apart. If you are looking for a fantastic mini best multimeter options that has all the multimeter features to give you accurate readings in various troubleshooting DIY projects, then this entry-level multimeter is right for you. It is durable and offers some incredible multimeter features such as audible alert and red blinking LED terminals that notify you when the digital multimeter is connected properly. The multimeters come in handy for first-timers and novice users who may not be aware of setting up a digital multimeter or troubleshooting their electronics. Fluke 87V Best Electrical Digital. After reviewing a couple of dozen multimeters on the market, we decided that Fluke 87V is the best one. I believe that Fluke 87V VAC Pros Enable is the best multimeter brand for the money buys for any electrician. While we have included the Fluke 88V in this lineup, as people might be searching for it, the Fluke 88VA combo kit comes with the Fluke 88V automotive multimeter, silicone test leads, carry strap, alligator clips, test probes, a magnetic hanging kit, inductive RPM pickup probe. This Fluke 88V combo kit is a premier choice for accuracy and versatility on job site for all DIY enthusiasts. One of the greatest things about Fluke 88V high-end digital multimeter besides its primary function is its versatile functions. With a remarkable dual-resolution screen, you can detect even the slightest fluctuations in the AC voltage very easily. The Fluke 88V is excellent for measuring signal pulse width and determining the health of an injector. Fluke 117 Auto Range Function device is another budget Fluke multimeter with the maximum multimeter features. Try this combo kit automotive multimeter. Many professional electricians love to work with this. That's why I picked Fluke 117 on our list. Thank you for watching this video. All of these product links in the description. Go to the product link you are interested in for more info and updated price. Please subscribe and like this video.